Hello.
Good girl. That's all right there. Go on, in you go, in the kitchen. In the kitchen, go on, in the kitchen. In the kitchen.
Afternoon.
We're not sure what it is because it's.
Yeah, what it is, I think what was it was late. I was late at night or something. I was watching TV, and the wind was really going, you know. And I thought I could hear it wobbling or something, making a noise, which normally I don't notice it. But I'm not sure now because it's been a while. Because it's been about a couple of weeks, so it's been like it. And and it might have flashed up. The picture went a bit funny, so I thought, oh, I'll just turn it off. It's not worth because it's windy. And then I think then it just didn't come on. So my TV upstairs isn't working, the one in the kitchen isn't working, and inside the other start, because obviously you've got Virgin, so we can watch TV on the Virgin box, but it looks like that isn't working. So I made sure, I didn't think it'd been up in the loft and not a while off, you know, because we've got that junction box. He checked it again last night. Don't go out yet. I need you. You've got your cold.
No, we've got some cold.
Right, and then and he said that all seems all right. So I thought, oh, this is a nightmare because it looks like it might be the top one.
Okay.
And, you know, that's by deduction of what went on.
Maybe I can run a quick test on the kitchen one and see what the signal's
I'll
like.
show you the garden then, Lawrence.
Alright.
Because she's a bit temperamental, that one. So, I mean, she's not, you ignore her. It's just going to come back down without anything. So if you get, oh, she's all right, she's waking her tail up, and put your hand down, it doesn't mean anything. To anybody.
Crafty,
even me sometimes, you know, she'd be lovely laying on my lap, really nice, and I touch her leg somewhere or something. Like me, so there we are. Now I've been in hospital like on Monday, Tuesday, a little operation, and well, maybe not that little, but that's what I'm and come back Wednesday, so everything's not been sorted out.
A bit of keyhole surgery, was it?
No, I had lots of cancer and I had been sorted out. I don't know as well. And it was like with radiotherapy, they shrink one, it shrinks.
Oh yeah.
So they become not the same, and also there's like an indent and things like that where they went through it. So it's been a while. So I was supposed to have it done, and then I thought, oh, I'm gonna have to because none of my clothes was hanging right. So so I went and had that done on Monday. So
it's nice to get things sorted.
Yeah, that's it.
Playing on your mind.
You think that getting 66, is it really worth worrying about something like that? You know, it's not so much like being vain and looking, you know, they do look better, I think, at the moment anyway. So
I'm not going to look.
I look like a young girl at the moment. They're all different colours, but they said it looks like as if I had an uplift in a way. But this is the way. One of the surgeons said he couldn't do nothing with one of them and only reduce the other one. So I thought, well, that's fine. And then the other one, when I went to saw him last week, a different one, he went, no, I can change these things, I move these things there and do that there for you. And he said, I'll make them as symmetric as possible. They're never completely symmetric, but he said, as possible. So, because all my dresses were pulling one side, because it was like a bit of one side, you know. So, so hopefully now, as long as I don't get any infections or anything, I'll be alright, you know. So, that's made it more important that I couldn't watch TV in the bedroom either. So I was looking at news, I was thinking, I want to see what the latest news is, but obviously it's all about the Queen. And then like last night I got a phone call to say that the French aviation's on strike or something, so planes are not flying, can't fly through France. So obviously I've got airports coming back, and one person now is coming back tonight, is not coming back to one lot are coming back Sunday morning, another lot are coming back Monday.
Oh, they do like a strike in France, don't they?
Yeah, they do. Well, the thing is though, they are quite, in a way, that's one thing I think I quite like about France, that they won't stick for something, they will actually do something. Like, when they was going to do something with their pensions, they went on strike and the government changed their mind. You know what I mean? So they do seem to get like, the people have more sway with what they do, you know, to affect them. And that where we sort of moan about it, but don't actually do anything about it, do we? It goes all across Facebook, every morning it's all going on and that, but no one actually does anything, you know.
Can I check on the other side of that wall?
Yeah, you can do it. Sorry, I've just I was just tidying this up and I asked him, can you put the clothesline up so I can hang them up? I was like, this tidying here now, don't you?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, because I asked him to do that. I wouldn't have the clothes hanging there then. Right, okay. I don't know if you need that one. I think if you check my bedroom one, you might find the bedroom is doing the same thing.
Okay.
And that's why I think it's something up where they join up somewhere.
Yes. Right. Up to the lofty.
I've got wet clothes to dry. I'll take the dry clothes up with me.
Okay.
So I just said to him, I'll bring you out.
Multitasking.
I was trying not to stretch too much, but I will do that. In my hand, this way. There's this funny house upstairs in the front room.
Right. Oh, there's the loft hatch. Oh, might as well go straight up there, then, eh?
Yeah, but it's really a horrible. They'll get it down for you, but it's a horrible. You have to put the whole light on as well, actually. Yeah. It's a horrible. Lawrence! Can't put the hatch up, Dan.
Okay.
Oh dear. I'm not there, no. There's a little boost, I've been up there before.
No, I don't think it is.
Oh.
I was somebody ages ago, and told me I think you earlier when it was on the heat paint and
Yeah.
told me they just fixed it.
There's a little boost, just on that bit of wood that's sticking out with the strings on, there's a little booster there. At the area
Yeah, but it fits at a time. Yeah, right. Only if it's a paper. Your things have to put in the other bedroom at the other side there. The kids might want you for their house at the time. Or if the whole extension in the bedroom, you might as well keep it. It doesn't hurt if you've got the room up there to do it in. Along, are you?
Yeah. Yeah.
I know, I'm open to it, I'll pull on it all the time. Yeah, I'm open to it from so you do have to do it. No, you have to take it off and you've got to fill it up with food and you keep painting it so you get that fat. And that fat is got to come off first. And Yeah, I don't mind just painting that area where it is, and then painting the rest of it afterwards, so it's not just where that bit is. And then we can cover the tinsel and stuff. Yeah, it's only garden in the kitchen now. That's a nice suggestion.
I think I'll get a good view of the aerial from your window.
When you see the airing cupboard out.
Move that mirror out the way.
Yes, please.
No, just hang on a second, I'm doing this bit first, Tina.
I'll pass it to you.
Yeah, okay, mate. Just lay 'em on the bed. That's it.
So. No, neither did I from
Was, I think that's separate done then, but
yeah.
in the winter, last winter,
Yeah.
we had since heating revolved. So I thought, oh, that's alright, at least I've got hot water with the electric motion.
We'll go have another look up here then.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've just been over there, yeah. I think it probably was, yes.
Oh. Oh, well, you've done away with it altogether then?
Mm.
Oh, right. I don't need that, obviously.
No.
That's alright. This is alright.
Let's go back to Karen Giannoni, who's at Westminster. Karen.
Oh, yeah. Shall I take them?
Then it was exactly the same when King Charles
I'm
left
not
London
sure.
Bridge and after his little walkabout that he did there, which surprised so many people, drove past here along Millbank by the Houses of Parliament. A huge cheer went up. It really boosted everybody who was there to see King Charles and Prince William turn up, and even just them going past in their cars was such an event for everybody. And you can see the people filing past behind me still going strong. They have been in the queue for
Ah. Everyone to their trade, as they say.
Yeah.
Wife will be pleased. I was watching a bit of Teddy in bed.
September night. Obviously their spirits and their drive to go into Westminster Hall is keeping them going really.
Now this certainly...
I didn't think you was going to get number 8.
That's number 8.
It's a regional one, but inside the M25.
Perfect table for a serve.
Good. I'll check the kitchen one, yes?
Yeah, okay, mate.
Can I go in the kitchen?
Are you trying to avoid going up to the top?
No, if I needed to go up there, I certainly would. This,
Top? No.
What did this actually do, this little box?
That's
What is it, booster?
that's a twin transistor
That's of Wessex.
Oh.
Coming to meet the crowds just outside the gate.
booster.
Ah.
So, I don't have a booster put on, or?
No, we just bypassed that one, then you're using your distribution amplifier.
150. Much.
Oh, so this is good anyway, isn't it? It's good as that.
Unique combination of
Wow, nice. So this is going up the coast,
Yeah, I didn't bother running no tests on it, I just bypassed it.
So I don't need a booster in this house then?
Yeah, you got a big distribution amplifier just by the loft edge.
Oh right, okay, so and that does similar to
That's
that,
got
does
enough
it?
boost on it, yeah, you really don't need that one as well.
Oh right, it's quite old.
Yes.